Hi, welcome everyone. My name is Sid Atkinson. I'm the director of our National Data and AI practice, and with me today is...
Hello, I'm Edgar. I'm a big data architect in the data AI practice.
So Edgar, one of the things that we want to talk today about, so for a lot of our customers are hearing about Azure Synapse. So what at the high level can you tell us what this is, what's Microsoft coming out with, and what should our customers know about it?
Absolutely. So recently Microsoft made announcements over the Synapse product. The great thing about it for end users is this empowers them to get full access to their data lake environment without having to go in there and look at one individual file at a time. They introduced this concept of serverless query on demand, where a user can just go in there and start running queries all of the data in their data lake without having to create any separate environments for that.
Awesome. So, if you're going to start with like the end users, what does this mean for end users that are going to be accessing these massive systems?
So the great thing for them is that it gives them the ability to very quickly get insights into what they're doing. In addition, when they wish to engage with data engineers, currently what they have to do is they have to go in, launch a separate environment, create pipelines, source to target mappings, etc. The great thing about the Synapse workspace is the data engineers are in the same workspace as their end users, and they can collaborate closely with them and create all their orchestration pieces within that same Synapse workspace.
All right, so we're seeing a nice simplification of all these different products and capabilities for both the engineers and for the end users. So what about the data scientists?
Right. So right now, as a data scientist, you typically go into a notebook and start running some piece of code that you want to do some wrangling, build out some models. So that typically is a separate environment than what your data engineers and what your end users are doing. The great thing about the Synapse workspace is they've also introduced the concept of the Spark pools in there. What that essentially means is you can go in there as a data scientist in that Synapse workspace and start creating your notebooks right there without having to create different Azure resources or different hardware environments or virtual machines. You just go into the same workspace and start doing your work there and start building out your models.
So what we're seeing that thematically is a nice consolidation of a lot of these platforms and tools into one space, so we can kind of get to one workflow to rule them all in a way.
Absolutely.
So what should we tell our customers and the people that are watching that for those who have existing data and things that they've deployed to Azure today, what does this mean and what should they consider?
So the great thing for them, if you're an existing customer utilizing a data warehouse, you can continue using your data warehouse. You just take advantage of some of these extra capabilities as you need them. But if your projects are currently running, you have the ability to maintain your existing data warehouse and then leverage the database enhancements that you'll be getting. However, in addition, this is going to allow you the opportunity to have more options to collaborate more closely across different parts of your organizations, whether they're data scientists or end users.
Now, sounds like a lot of topics that we have that we can dive into. So what do you anticipate we'll talk about next?
I think the next step would be to get more into detail of what the actual data warehouse itself and the new capabilities that will be introduced along with the other Synapse functions that are coming out.
Excellent. Well, thank you, Edgar.
Sure.